Hello and good morning to all of you, my viewers. Once again, today I am going with the latest job opening from Singapore. If you are interested to apply for these jobs, keep watching this video till the end and focus what is the latest new job openings from Singapore, what is the applying process, what is the job profiles, what is the basic requirements to apply for this job. Everything details I will explain you in this video. So let's start. The first job, key account manager required in Singapore. So if you have the accounting professionals experience, you can apply as soon as possible. As you can see here, key account manager MNC. This is a MNC company in Singapore. The opportunity, our client, who is one of the leading logistics company, are currently looking for a key account manager to join the team as part of business expansions. Fantastic career advancement and exposure will be offered. The talent means what is the requirements to apply for these jobs to work as a key account managers. Point number one, minimum 3 to 5 years of B2B sales experience handling logistics, manufacturing or aerospace industry prefer, able to maintain effective performance under pressure, great interpersonal and communication skills and sales driven. So this is the basic requirements to apply for these jobs. Please keep in mind, before you apply, you should fulfill the requirements which is explained by the employer. The job, what is the job responsibility? Meet with customers to discuss their evolving needs and to assess the quality of company relationship with them. Handle designated accounts in the market, weekly and monthly reporting to management and sales and marketing updates. Identify and develop new market opportunity for the business. This is the job responsible. So let's focus the next additional informations. Minimum a degree in marketing, business admin or related qualifications, possesses class 3 driving license with own vehicle preferred. So please keep in mind, as per the requirements by the employer, you should fulfill the qualifications, the experience, the license also, then only you can apply. If you have the all qualifications and experience, don't be late. Prepare your updated resume. Please include your current salary package with full breakdown such as wage incentives, annual wage supplements, etc. and expected package. And email to the given official email ID. Let me highlight this email ID. You can get this email ID from the descriptions, and you can send your updated CV to the given official email ID. So after that, they provide the Singapore contact numbers. You can directly call them. If you are already in Singapore, you can call them and you can ask about the requirements. So let's focus the next job, account manager, hospitality cloud, Singapore. Job details, experience 3 to 7 years, annual salary. As you can see here, including variables, SSD, Singapore dollar per year. Work location, Singapore, domain, information technology, payments terms 105 days, replacement clause 30 days. Job descriptions, we have one openings for an account manager in our hospitality cloud divisions, Singapore, whose main responsibility will be managing existing clients accounts in key marketing FEAC. In this role, you will be charged with identifying and closing sales opportunities with the clients you manage, such as contract renewals, of sales, cross sales, etc. Additionally, you will provide a high level of quality of service to our customers while effectively managing your sales associate. You will be required to demonstrate solutions, selling skills, and effectively manage internal relationships with the sales and client services departments to ensure complete customer satisfaction and meet sales objectives. This is all about the job descriptions. If you are interested, please focus what is the requirements. Point number one, bachelor's degree in required, 3 years minimum experience required, familiarity with a high of outbound call volume and high talk time sales environments. So infectious patients about the benefits of technology and digital marketing. Strong analytic skills, experience with data analysis and proficiency in Microsoft Excel. So please focus. This is all about the requirements to apply for these jobs. You can get all informations in the descriptions. Don't need to be worried. I am describing you very shortly because the video will be long. So please understand, all informations available in the descriptions. As I already told you in the previous videos, please go to the descriptions under this video and collect all informations and read it carefully. Then it will be easy to apply for these jobs. If you want to apply to work as an account manager, you can send your updated CV to the given official email ID. Let's focus on next job. Sales development representative. Job details: experience 1 to 3 years required. Annual salary, as you can see here, 70,000 to 80,000 Singapore dollars. Work location: Singapore. Domain: information technology. Payment: 105 days. 30 days of replacement clause. Job descriptions, as you can see here, we are looking for a sales development representative for Singapore locations who is ready to take the first steps toward leadership roles and event. This is all about the job descriptions. This is the what you need for these positions: bachelor's degree with strong academic credentials, excellent communication skills, experience range 1 to 3 years, strong sense and initiatives and personal leaderships, ability to work within a team to achieve goals, strong business acumen. This is all about the requirements. If you are interested, if you are fulfilling the requirements by the employer, then you can send your updated CV to given official email ID. Let's focus on next job. Admin assistants. Admin assistant immediate. Edico is partnering with our client who is looking for an admin assistant to join their firm as part of their expansion plans. So this is all about the job descriptions to the opportunity. You can get permanent positions, Monday to Friday 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. duty, attractive benefits and employee welfare. Core responsibilities: work closely with the support team and managing the full spectrum of administrative duties. This is all about the job responsibilities. I'm telling you again, I'm describing you very shortly because the video will be long. Please go to the descriptions and collect all informations available there and read it by carefully by yourselves. Requirements: applicants with minimally GCE or O level of above certifications, good knowledge and experience working Microsoft Excel, PowerPoint, other applications, possesses good command of written and spoken English language. If you are interested to apply, please send your updated CV to the given official email ID. So let me highlight this email ID. You can get this email ID from the descriptions and you can send your updated CV to the given official email ID. Also, you can collect this number and you can directly call and ask about the requirements. Let's go to the next job: network engineer. Network engineer required in Singapore. My client is an interest-based company with presence and market focus in Southeast Asia. So if you have the proper qualifications and experience to work as a network engineer, don't be late. Apply as soon as possible. Before you apply, please focus what is the requirements to apply for these jobs: diploma or degree in telecommunications or computers, knowledge of Ethernet network and computer systems, understanding the basic network knowledge of PLAN, HSRF, PSEV routing, ARP related to networking development. If you have the proper qualifications and experience to work as a networking engineer, you can directly apply by sending your updated CV to the given official email ID. As you can see here, this is the given official email ID. Let me highlight this email ID. You can get this email ID from the descriptions and you can directly update your CV, send your CV to the given official email ID. So friends, today in this video I already shared with you different job openings from Singapore, which is the latest and new job openings from Singapore. Don't be late. If you have the proper qualifications and experience to apply any of these jobs, don't be late. Apply by forward your updated CV to the given official email ID. So as you can see here, again let me remind you the job openings from Singapore. This is the job for network engineer. Next, as you can see here, next job is admin assistant required in Singapore. Then let's focus on next job. For as per your qualification and experience, you can apply for these jobs. Don't be late. Next job is sales development representative. The next job, as you can see here, you have to apply as soon as possible. As you can see here, this is the latest job openings: account manager in hospitality cloud divisions. Next job, key account manager. So today I'm describing you different job openings from Singapore. I'm sorry for the background sound, friends. I'm telling you again and again, I'm out of home since few days, so I'm sorry for the background sound. I apologize. Please avoid the background sound and collect the information from the descriptions and read it carefully. Then it will be easy to apply for this job. So friends, I hope this information will be helpful for you and for your friends and relatives. So please share this information to your friends and relatives. Hope this information will be valuable for you. So finally, I would like to tell you lots of thanks for your valuable time for watching this video till the end. In the next video, I'll come with the latest updates from another country. After that, best of luck. Bye bye.